You're right. It's been an absolutely transformational year for St. George Mining. We're very, very proud of our achievements this year. Obviously, the first big hurdle we had was to actually acquire the Araxá Project in Brazil. It wasn't an easy acquisition, 21 million US dollars. We had to find and pay. It was a tough raise. We weren't institutional investment grade, but we raised it, so it was a huge achievement. We locked that project in. The next big step was to put an in-country team in place that could really deliver this project to the next level. And we were very lucky to find some really top quality people, ex-employees of CBMM, our next door neighbor, the big gorilla in the Niobium space, and also some very well credentialed business people in Brazil. So we've got an in-country team now that can really deliver the project to the next level. And the other third main achievement is really now being recognized as a global player in the niobium and rare earth space. I think the sort of cherry on top of the cake was our institutional raise that we completed in October. I think that was the proof to the market that we are now a real credible player in the niobium and rare earth space. We raised $50 million from North American, European and Australian institutions, and then had $22.5 million invested by Hancock Prospecting. Very successful track record there, investing in Mountain Pass, Linus, other very good rare earths companies. So fantastic validation for us, and really just signs off a very successful year for us. Extremely well, I'm pleased to say. That capital raising has really put us in a very strong position. We're fully funded to get us to financial investment decision. We're currently drilling away. We've got fully funded for our drilling program. And then all the economic studies are also fully funded. So we're in really good shape to create a lot more value for our shareholders. Yep, that's absolutely true. They have been producing niobium products for more than 40 years. We have very similar rocks. I can have 1 foot on our tenement and 1 foot on their tenement. That's how close we are. So that does give us a fantastic advantage, both in terms of the mineralogy. We're very confident we can produce similar ferroniobium products, and also gives us an advantage in terms of project logistics. All the infrastructure that we need is already in place to go into production. Gives us a real point of difference to other developers. Well, that one's probably going to have to be a myth. Every time we say we've got the thickest intercept, we top it. So all I can say is stay tuned. We're really well endowed in terms of mineralization out there. We continue with 3 diamond rigs drilling away. Don't be surprised if we top our best result again. I think 2026 is going to be even more exciting than 2025. We're still drilling away. We're still getting lots of assay results. There'll be more announcements through the end of this year and into early next year. And of course, the reason for the drilling is to have a resource upgrade. So we're going to convert a lot of that inferred resource into indicated. That will underpin the economic studies, and just simply expanding the resource. I think people are starting to get a feel that we're in line for a very substantial increase to the size of the resource. These monster hits that we're getting are going to deliver that. So that's the first really big delivery in the new year. On the back of that, we'll be pulling out the economic study as well for the niobium operation. So lots of really good milestones, project milestones coming in 2026.